we go. Oh, are you tired? Ready for your nap? Here comes Zeus. Oh. Alice is doing her exercising. Yes, she is. Okay. She's getting tired. Zeus, come on now. Whoop. He might roll over today. Zeus? No, Zeus. No, no, no. Off of the quilt. Zeus, off the quilt. Come on. Zeus, go on. Go. Zeus, off the quilt. Over here. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you, Alice. Zeus, no. Look at you, Alice. Look at you. You see the dog? Yeah? She's being a nuisance today. She's being a nuisance today. Okay. That's all for now.